Muling kinilala ang talentong kapuso sa 37th Aliw Awards at kasama dyan sina Julian San Jose at Stel ng SB19. At ang talented panganay ng Dongyan na si Zia Dantes may award din. Makichika kay Aubrey Carampel.
This year's Entertainer of the Year is Julian San Jose.
Sa ikalawang pagkakataon, itinanghal bilang Entertainer of the Year si Asia's Limitless star Julian San Jose sa 37th Aliw Awards. Pinarangalan din sina The Voice Kids coaches Julie at SB19 Stel as Best Collaboration in a Major Concert para sa kanilang Julie and Stel Ang Ating Tinig. Produced by GMA Synergy, GMA Entertainment Group, and 1Z Entertainment. Ang panganay ng kapuso royal couple na sina Dingdong Dantes at Marian Rivera na si Zia, tinanggap ang unang Aliw Award as Breakthrough Child Performer of the Year. Para yan sa kanyang viral performance ng Rise Up sa isang recital concert.
Good evening, everyone. Thank you for making me have this opportunity to speak to all of you. And thank you for the Aliw Awards for giving me this wonderful award.
Pinasalamatan din ni Zia ang kanyang ever-supportive and proud parents. Best stand-up comedian naman si Super Tekla. Best Group Ensemble Performance in a Concert si Sparkle artist Gian Magdangal and Lara Maige for the greatest duet. Best Featured Actress in a Play si lolong actress Charmaine Centenera Buencamino para sa stage play na Grace. At ang kanyang mister na si Noni Buencamino, wagi namang Best Lead Actor in a Play for Balete. Si It's Showtime host Kariel ang Best Lead Actress in a Musical para sa Little Shop of Horrors. Ayon kay Aliw Awards Foundation Founding President Alice Reyes, patuloy silang magbibigay ng pagkilala para sa live entertainment industry. Aubrey Carampel, updated sa Showbiz Happenings.